The Fed's not going to let the default happen. The only question is, what is the trigger? When is the next financial crisis going to happen? And I guarantee you that within days, possibly even hours, you saw what happened in 2020, financial crisis, lockdowns, and then bam, like that day, they printed up like $500 billion in the repo market, and all of a sudden the money supply started to just go vertical. It's going to happen again this time, but even more extreme. And it's going to be sometime in the middle of the night, and there's not even going to be a press conference about it.
Welcome to Silver News Daily, your ultimate destination for all things precious metals. If you're passionate about the glimmer of silver and the world of precious metals, you're in the right place. By hitting that magical subscribe button, you're joining a community of like-minded thinkers who see the potential of silver and precious metals shaping the future. Buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the latest news and updates. Welcome to today's special feature on Silver News Daily, where we delve into a topic that's currently sparking waves of excitement and skepticism in equal measure in the world of precious metals. Imagine this: silver, a metal that's been hovering in the mid-$22 zeros, suddenly skyrockets to an astounding $932 per ounce. Sounds like a fantasy, doesn't it? But what if I told you that this isn't just a wild speculation, but a scenario that could unfold in the not-so-distant future? In today's segment, we're going to unravel the intricacies of the silver market, which is currently presenting a complex yet fascinating picture. While the market teeters with a positive bias, it's also shrouded in a bearish outlook, making the future of silver prices a captivating subject for investors and market analysts alike. Why is there talk of such an unprecedented rise in silver prices? What are the forces at play here? And most importantly, how can you, as an investor or enthusiast, navigate this potential silver boom? Stay tuned as we embark on this intriguing journey, dissecting technical analysis, market trends, and expert opinions to understand if the road to $932 silver is paved with real gold or just glittering illusions. Welcome to Silver News Daily, where we not only report the news, but also help you understand the future of your investments. Let's dive in. As we venture deeper into the silver saga, let's turn our focus to the technical landscape of the silver market, an aspect that holds immense significance for understanding its future trajectory. The current technical setup of silver, as observed, reveals a narrative that is predominantly bearish, yet it's this very setup that could be the prelude to a dramatic shift in the market. Firstly, we need to consider the $23.60, $23.70 supply zone. This range has emerged as a critical threshold for silver's price movement. Historically, this zone has acted as a formidable barrier, capping any bullish runs. However, the true significance of this zone lies in its potential to act as a launchpad for future price escalations. If silver prices can firmly breach this zone, it could invalidate the bearish sentiment and potentially trigger a bullish frenzy. But why is this zone so pivotal? To understand this, we delve into the concept of multiple tops, a pattern observed in the recent decline from this very range. This pattern indicates a repeated failure of the silver prices to break through, signaling a strong resistance. However, in the world of technical analysis, a strong resistance, once broken, can transform into an equally strong support, paving the way for further price increases. Adding another layer to this analysis is the 200-day simple moving average, SMA, a key indicator closely watched by traders and investors. The current scenario shows silver struggling to find acceptance above this crucial SMA. This is indicative of a bearish outlook in the short term. However, the SMA also serves as a dynamic level of support and resistance. A decisive move above the 200-day SMA could signal a change in market sentiment, shifting from bearish to bullish. The bearish outlook is further reinforced by technical indicators on the daily chart drifting into negative territory. This suggests that in the short term, any upward movement in prices might attract fresh sellers, potentially leading to a quick fizzling out of any bullish runs. This makes the current market particularly treacherous for bulls, but also presents a unique setup where a shift in momentum could lead to significant gains. In summary, the technical landscape of the silver market as it stands favors the bears. However, this very setup presents a latent potential for a dramatic shift. Should silver prices manage to break through the crucial barriers discussed, we could witness a sharp reversal of fortunes, potentially setting the stage for the speculated journey towards the $932 mark. In our next segment, we will explore the bearish outlook and the risks associated with it, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the forces at play in the silver market. Stay with us on Silver News Daily as we continue to unravel the complex tapestry of the silver market. Moving forward in our comprehensive analysis of the silver market, it's imperative to delve into the bearish outlook that currently looms over silver prices. Understanding this perspective is crucial for anyone looking to make informed decisions in this volatile market. the bearish sentiment in the silver market is not without its reasons. A key factor contributing to this outlook is the technical indicators on the daily chart, which have recently started drifting into negative territory. This shift suggests that the market's momentum is leaning towards a downward trend. In layman's terms, it means that the market is showing signs that prices might drop rather than rise in the short term. This bearish trend is further cemented by the repeated failures of silver prices to find acceptance above the critical 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA is often viewed as a barometer of long-term market sentiment. Silver's struggle to breach this level indicates a lack of confidence among investors and traders, reinforcing the bearish outlook. Moreover, the recent decline from the $23.60 $23.70 supply zone has formed a pattern known as multiple tops. This pattern is typically interpreted as a bearish signal in technical analysis. It indicates that each time the price reaches this zone, it faces significant selling pressure, pushing it back down. This repeated rejection at a specific price level is a classic sign that buyers are not in control and sellers are dominating the market. One of the critical risks associated with a bearish market is the potential for a self-fulfilling prophecy. As more traders and investors buy into the bearish outlook, their actions, such as selling their holdings or refraining from buying, can further drive down prices, thereby reinforcing the bearish trend. Additionally, for those looking to enter the market or increase their holdings, the bearish outlook presents a significant risk. If the market continues its downward trend, new investments could quickly lose value. This risk is particularly acute for short-term traders who might not have the luxury of waiting on a long-term market recovery. However, it's important to remember that markets are dynamic and a bearish outlook is not a permanent state. Market conditions can change rapidly, and what appears to be a downward trend today could reverse tomorrow. This inherent unpredictability is what makes investing in commodities like silver both exciting and challenging. In our next step, we will explore what it would take to break through the bearish barriers and what a shift to a bullish market might look like. As always, stay tuned to Silver News Daily for insightful analysis and updates on the ever-evolving world of silver trading. As we continue our journey through the complex terrain of the silver market, it's time to explore a pivotal question. What would it take to transition from the current bearish outlook to a bullish one? This shift is not just a matter of market sentiment. It's about understanding key technical levels and the dynamics that could trigger a change in the silver market's direction. The first significant barrier to overcome is the $23.60 $23.70 supply zone. As we discussed, this range has been a tough nut to crack for silver prices. However, if the prices can sustainably move beyond this zone, it could signal a major shift in market sentiment. Overcoming this barrier would negate much of the bearish outlook, possibly leading to a bullish momentum. This is because in the world of trading, once a significant resistance level is broken, it often becomes a new level of support, providing a foundation for further price increases. Another crucial factor is the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. A sustained move above this average could serve as a strong indicator of changing tides. The 200-day SMA is closely watched by traders and acts as a long-term trend indicator. Breaching this level could attract more buyers into the market, adding to the bullish momentum. Now let's talk about what this means for you, our viewers. If you're an investor or a trader in the silver market, these technical levels should be on your radar. Monitoring these key points can help you make more informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold your silver investments. Remember, staying informed and up to date with market trends is crucial in navigating these volatile waters. And here's where we come in. At Silver News Daily, our goal is to keep you ahead of the curve with the latest insights and analyses. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the world of precious metals, we're here to provide you with valuable information to guide your investment journey. Before we move on to our next segment, where we'll speculate on the factors that could drive silver prices to the much-discussed $932 mark, I have a quick reminder for you. If you're finding value in our content and want to stay updated with the latest in the silver market, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be part of a community that's at the forefront of understanding and navigating the complexities of the silver market. So go ahead, click that subscribe button, and let's continue to explore the fascinating world of silver together. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll delve into the potential factors that could catapult silver prices to unprecedented heights. You won't want to miss it, right here on Silver News Daily. As we move forward in our comprehensive exploration of the silver market, it's time to address the elephant in the room, the tantalizing possibility of silver prices skyrocketing to $932. Such a drastic rise might seem far-fetched at first glance, especially in the context of the current bearish market trends. However, by dissecting the various factors at play, we can begin to understand how this unprecedented scenario might unfold. Global economic factors. One of the primary drivers that could propel silver prices to new heights is the global economic environment. Silver, like other precious metals, is often seen as a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. Factors such as inflation, geopolitical tensions, or a global financial crisis could lead investors to flock towards silver, driving up its price significantly. Market speculation and investor behavior. The role of market speculation cannot be understated in the commodities market. If a significant number of investors start believing that silver prices will rise dramatically, their investment actions, buying silver in large quantities, could actually contribute to driving up the price. This self-fulfilling prophecy, fueled by speculation, can sometimes lead to rapid and substantial increases in market prices. Industrial demand. Silver's industrial applications, especially in areas like electronics, solar panels, and medical technologies, also play a crucial role in its pricing. A surge in demand from these sectors, possibly due to technological advancements or increased production needs, could significantly push up the price of silver. Supply constraints. On the flip side, any constraints in the supply of silver, whether due to mining issues, geopolitical tensions in key silver-producing countries, or environmental regulations, could also contribute to a sharp increase in silver prices. When the supply can't meet the demand, prices tend to go up. Currency fluctuations. The value of the dollar and other key global currencies also impacts silver prices. A weakening dollar, for instance, often makes silver cheaper in other currencies, increasing demand and subsequently the price. While the idea of silver reaching $932 seems improbable given the current market conditions, these factors illustrate that the commodities market is unpredictable and subject to a multitude of influencing factors. Understanding these elements can help investors and enthusiasts alike to better navigate this volatile market. And remember, for the latest insights, analysis, and updates in the world of precious metals, make sure you're subscribed to Silver News Daily, your go-to source for all things silver. We're here to keep you informed and prepared for whatever the market might bring. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us as we continue to explore the dynamic and fascinating world of silver trading. Stay tuned for our next segment where we will critically analyze the likelihood of such a dramatic rise in silver prices and discuss the potential impacts on the market and investors. Join us on Silver News Daily, your trusted source for silver market intelligence. As we reach the apex of our exploration into the silver market, it's time to critically analyze the likelihood of silver prices soaring to the unprecedented level of $932 per ounce. This speculative scenario, while captivating, warrants a balanced examination, considering both the potential for such a rise and the skepticism it rightly attracts. Evaluating the probability, the jump to $932 represents a significant leap from current price levels. Historically, silver has seen periods of rapid price increases, but these have often been driven by unique and extreme market conditions. For such a rise to occur again, a confluence of extraordinary economic, geopolitical, and market factors would need to align. This includes drastic changes in global economic stability, significant shifts in supply and demand dynamics, and unprecedented investor behavior. Understanding market volatility. A commodities market, particularly for precious metals, is known for its volatility. While rapid price shifts are not uncommon, they are usually not sustained over long periods. Investors and market analysts should be wary of speculative bubbles that can lead to dramatic price increases followed by equally sharp declines. Potential impacts. If silver were to reach such a high price, it would have far-reaching implications. For investors holding silver, this could mean significant gains. However, for industries reliant on silver, such a price hike could lead to increased costs and a push to find alternative materials. Additionally, a price surge of this magnitude could attract regulatory attention and potential market interventions. The role of prudent investment strategies. In light of such speculative scenarios, it's crucial for investors to maintain prudent investment strategies. Diversification, understanding one's risk tolerance, and staying informed are key to navigating such unpredictable markets. Chasing speculative gains without a solid strategy could lead to substantial losses. Conclusion. While the idea of silver reaching $932 an ounce makes for an exciting narrative, it's essential to approach such scenarios with a healthy dose of skepticism and a grounded perspective. The silver market, with its complexities and uncertainties, requires careful analysis and thoughtful investment strategies. As we wrap up today's in-depth look at the silver market on Silver News Daily, we remind our viewers to stay informed, stay diversified, and most importantly, stay rational in their investment decisions. And if you want to stay on top of the latest developments in the world of precious metals, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Your subscription helps us keep delivering the quality content you need to make informed decisions in these exciting yet challenging markets. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the silver market. We hope this series has provided you with valuable insights and a clearer understanding of the potential and pitfalls in the world of silver trading. Until next time, keep your eyes on the market and stay tuned to Silver News Daily for all your precious metals news and analysis.